TATE Automation Company is a professional laser equipment manufacturer. After years of development, TATE has become a national high-tech enterprise integrating various automation equipment such as laser cutting machines, laser welding machines, laser marking machines, and laser cleaning machines. Our machines are suitable for cutting and welding stainless steel, carbon steel, alloy steel, galvanized sheet, electrolytic sheet, copper sheet, aluminum and other metal sheets and pipes. It is widely used in electric power, automobile manufacturing, mechanical equipment, electrical equipment, advertising signs, automobile decoration, sheet metal production, precision parts, hardware products, aerospace, shipbuilding and other industries. We have a dedicated quality control and after-sales department. The whole process of machine production will carry out various quality controls, and the machine needs to pass 128 rigorous tests before leaving the factory to ensure the quality of the machine. After the machine leaves the factory, there will be a professional after-sales team to connect with customers one-on-one to ensure that there are no problems in the process of using the machine. We are a reliable laser equipment supplier and can provide you with complete quality assurance services, ensure customer experience. We have professional engineer team support, efficient sales team, and competitive price advantage, attracting customers from all over the world. Our machines are exported to more than 90 countries and regions around the world. Due to our high-cost performance and high-quality service, our machines are very popular in Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Africa, Russia and other countries and regions. While we provide you with 7*24 hours of service, we can also provide you with OEM and ODM services. Welcome to visit our factory and discuss cooperation. Subscribe to our channel for more machine info.